Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can improvise over stormy Monday blues chords. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and our key is G major. First, let's take a look at the chords we're going to play in the song. They'll go something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. First, we'll create a solo using the lyric melodies in the song. Then we'll use some scales. After that, we'll use stolen riffs from famous guitarists. So let's get started. Let's start by copying the lyric melody of the song. Goes something like this. Something like that. We'll repeat that. And then Sunday I go to church. Something like that. Let's play that along with our chords. Now, playing the lyric melody across the chords of a song like that always works, because most of the time the audience recognizes the melody. Next, we'll look at scales that we can use to play in this song. The first one is G minor pentatonic, played this way. We'll pull notes from that scale. We can also use G major pentatonic. G major pentatonic moves up the neck like this. Or back. Here's what it might sound like using those scales. That's minor pentatonic, major pentatonic. Pentatonic. Next, let's think about adding stolen riffs from famous guitarists from different songs. Here's a riff that I stole from Steve Stevens, Billy Idol's guitar player. Once again, that's that one contains some pull-offs. Like that. Okay, so once again, that's and with our chords, that would sound like this. Next, here's a riff from Nick Maroc. This riff is from a tune called 12 Bars from Mars by Lenny White. Goes something like this. Now that riff consists of some pull-offs as well. Let's see what it sounds like with our track. Next is an easy chord riff that I stole from Stevie Ray Vaughan. We're going to go up to fret 10 and do a simple G minor chord made this way. And we'll play it this way. And with our chords, it sounds like this. And now for the easiest riff of all, a B.B. King note stab. We'll go up to fret 15 on the high E string, mute the strings like this, and then strike that note on the high E string like this. And add that in. Here we go. So now, let's combine all those stolen riffs and see what kind of solo we wind up with. Here we go. So there you go. There's 3 ideas you can use to play solos across Stormy Monday: lyric melodies, scales, and stolen riffs. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.